Hey everybody, welcome to the show where we talk about business. But don't worry, we keep it light and fun here. Think of business as that friend who always has a plan. Sometimes it's a little crazy, sometimes it's brilliant, but it's always interesting. Today, we're diving into the world of industry, commerce, and trade. Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll break it down with a little humor because who wants to be bored? Not me, and definitely not you. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, or maybe a party hat because why not? And let's get this business party started.
Section 2. Industry getting your hands dirty and clean. First up, let's talk industry. Industry is the backbone of our economy, the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. It's where raw materials are transformed into the products we use every day. Think of industry as the making stuff part of the business world. It's where ideas become tangible products, where innovation meets production. There are different types of industries, each playing a crucial role in the economy. From extracting raw materials to providing services, every industry is interconnected. Primary industries are all about getting raw materials, like mining for gold. These industries are the first step in the production process, providing the essential materials needed for manufacturing, or growing those delicious avocados we all love. Agriculture, fishing, and forestry are also part of the primary sector, supplying the food and resources we rely on.
Secondary industries take those raw materials and make them into something useful, like turning that gold into shiny jewelry. This sector includes manufacturing and construction, where raw materials are transformed into products and infrastructure. Or those avocados into, well, more guacamole. Food processing, textile production, and automobile manufacturing are all part of the secondary sector, creating the goods we use daily. Then there's the tertiary industry, which is all about services. This sector supports the production and distribution process, providing essential services to businesses and consumers. Think doctors, teachers, and even talk show hosts. We're essential people. The tertiary sector includes healthcare, education, retail, and entertainment, ensuring our well-being and enriching our lives. And even talk show hosts. We're essential people. This sector is diverse, covering everything from financial services to tourism, making our daily lives more convenient and enjoyable. And finally, we have quaternary industries, which are all about research and development. This sector focuses on innovation, knowledge, and technology, driving progress and creating new opportunities. They're the brains of the operation, always coming up with new and innovative ideas. From scientific research to information technology, the quaternary sector is at the forefront of advancement, shaping the future of our world.
Section 3, Commerce. It's like a big, happy family. Next up, we have commerce. Commerce is a vast and dynamic field that touches every aspect of our daily lives. Commerce is basically the buying and selling of goods. You know, like when you buy a new pair of shoes online or grab a coffee on your way to work. It's the transactions that keep the world moving, from the smallest purchase to the largest corporate deals. It's the heart and soul of business. Without commerce, our economy would come to a standstill. It's what drives innovation, competition, and growth. But commerce is a big family with lots of different branches. Each branch plays a crucial role in making sure that goods and services are exchanged efficiently and effectively. We have trade, which is the actual buying and selling of goods. Trade can be local, national, or international, and it involves everything from raw materials to finished products. Then we have auxiliaries to trade, which are all the things that help trade happen smoothly, like transportation, banking, and insurance. These services ensure that goods can be moved from one place to another, payments can be made securely, and risks can be managed. Think of it like this. Trade is the main course, and auxiliaries to trade are the delicious sides and drinks that make the whole meal complete. Just like a well-balanced meal, a well-functioning commerce system needs all its components to work together harmoniously. And trust me, you don't want to skip out on the sides. These auxiliary services add value and efficiency to the entire process, making commerce not just possible, but thriving. So, next time you make a purchase or see a cargo truck on the highway, remember the big happy family of commerce working behind the scenes to make it all happen.
Section 4. Trade, from your backyard to the world and back again. Now let's zoom in on trade. Trade is like that friend who loves to share. sometimes too much, am I right? But in the business world, sharing is caring. We've got different types of trade, starting with home trade, which is like trading cookies with your neighbor. Local and delicious.
Then there's wholesale trade, where businesses buy goods in bulk, like Costco on steroids. And of course, we can't forget retail trade, where businesses sell those goods to us, the happy customers. It's like a giant shopping mall, but instead of getting lost, you get to buy everything you never knew you needed.
Section 5. Home trade, keeping it local, keeping it real.
Home trade is all about keeping it local, folks.
It's like that neighborhood block party where everyone brings their best dishes to share.
We're talking about businesses buying and selling goods within the same country.
Think of your local farmer's market where you can get fresh produce, handmade crafts, and maybe even a goat cheese latte. Don't knock it till you try it.
Home trade is all about supporting local businesses and keeping those dollars circulating within the community.
Plus, it's a great excuse to get out of the house and meet your neighbors, and maybe snag some delicious treats while you're at it.
Section 6, wholesale versus retail bulk buying for the win. Now let's talk about the dynamic duo of trade, wholesale and retail. Imagine them as two best friends who always go shopping together but with slightly different styles. Wholesale is all about buying in bulk, like that friend who buys toilet paper by the truckload. These businesses are the behind-the-scenes heroes, supplying goods to retailers.
Retail, on the other hand, is all about selling those goods to us, the end consumers. They're the ones with the fancy storefronts and the catchy jingles. They take those bulk purchases and break them down into smaller, more manageable quantities, so we don't have to buy a lifetime supply of toothpaste all at once.
Section 7, foreign trade passports, planes and profits. Hold on to your hats, folks, because now we're going international with foreign trade. This is where the world truly becomes a global village, and the opportunities are endless. This is where things get really exciting and maybe a little jet-lagged. Imagine the hustle and bustle of airports, the constant movement of goods, and the intricate dance of negotiations. Foreign trade is all about buying and selling goods between different countries. It's a complex yet fascinating process that involves a lot of coordination and strategy. It's like a global dance, with countries trading their unique products and services. Each country brings something special to the table, creating a rich tapestry of global commerce.
We've got export trade, where businesses sell their goods to other countries. Think about the vast array of products that travel across oceans and continents to reach new markets. Think American jeans being sold in Japan. And import trade, where businesses buy goods from other countries. This is how we get access to products that are not available locally, like those delicious Italian shoes you've been eyeing. And then there's entrepot trade, where goods are imported from one country, maybe repackaged or relabeled, and then exported to another country. This adds another layer of complexity and opportunity to the trade process. It's like a global game of pass the parcel, but with cargo ships instead of birthday presents. The logistics involved are mind-boggling, but they ensure that products reach their destinations efficiently. International trade fairs and exhibitions play a crucial role in this ecosystem. They provide a platform for businesses to showcase their products, forge new partnerships, and explore new markets. Technology has revolutionized the way we conduct foreign trade. From automated warehouses to advanced tracking systems, technology ensures that the trade process is smooth and efficient. The end result? A diverse array of products available to consumers around the world. Whether it's exotic fruits, high-tech gadgets, or luxury fashion, foreign trade enriches our lives in countless ways. So next time you enjoy a product from another country, remember the intricate web of trade that made it possible. It's a testament to the power of global collaboration and the endless possibilities of foreign trade.
Section 8. Aids to trade, making business smoother than a baby's bottom. Now let's talk about the unsung heroes of the business world. Aids to trade. These are all the things that help trade run smoothly, like a well-oiled machine or a well-lubricated slip and slide, because why not? We're talking about things like transportation, which gets those goods from point A to point B, hopefully without any detours through the Bermuda Triangle. Then there's communication, which keeps everyone in the loop because nothing kills a deal like a missed phone call.
And of course, we can't forget about warehousing, which provides a safe and secure place to store those goods until they're ready to be shipped out. Because nobody wants a warehouse full of melting chocolate, trust me.
Section 9. Wrapping it up. Business in a nutshell, don't eat the shell. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the exciting world of industry, commerce, and trade, all while keeping it light, fun, and hopefully a little bit hilarious. Remember, business is like a dance. It takes a little practice, a little coordination, and a lot of enthusiasm. And just like with dancing, you're allowed to make mistakes, laugh at yourself, and most importantly, have fun.
So go out there, put on your dancing shoes or your business suit, whichever you prefer, and show the world your best moves. And always remember, when in doubt, just add a little humor. It makes everything better.